Hello everyone, this is Srushti Mudholkar from IIPS DAVV and today I'm gonna present on the topic Customer Complaint Management System, which is an open source project. So let's get into it. Purpose. It will explain the purpose and features of the system, the interfaces of the system, what the system will do, the constraint under which it must operate. This document is intended for both the users and the developers of the system. This software would help efficiently manage the complaints of the customers efficiently and in turn would help them for better reach and customer satisfaction. Customer complaint is important information showing customers sound and is a primary measure of customer dissatisfaction. An effective and efficient response to these complaints is an essential index of organization's performance. Now let's go through the objectives of customer complaint management system. So the first point is to make a complaints easier to coordinate, monitor, track and resolve. Second, to provide company with an effective tool to identify and target problem areas, monitor complaints, handling performance. Third, to make business improvements. Fourth, prompt and specific retrieval of data. Fifth, flexibility in the system according to the changing environment. Sixth, controlling redundancy in storing the same data multiple times. Seventh, accuracy, timeliness and compressiveness of the system output. Eighth, stability and operability by people of average intelligence. Now, let's go through the scope of this project. The customer complaint management system aims to work across verticals and scales to every business size. This system will be designed to maximize the customer satisfaction by providing tools to assist in solving bugs and complaints more efficiently, which would otherwise have to be performed manually. By maximizing the company's work efficiency, the system will meet the user's needs while remaining easy to understand and use. More specifically, this system is designed to allow a customer to be able to track the complaint status and be able to upgrade and renew their plans through the software. This is also developed for reducing the communication cost between the staffs and to provide the efficient service to their staffs. Now let's go through the technology. Software requirements. Operating system MS Windows XP or above. Environment Java Runtime Environment 7. Front end JSP. Additional languages Core Java, HTML, Beams, CSS, Tomcat. Backend MySQL. Hardware requirements. Processor Intel Core 2 Duo or above. System bus 32 bits. RAM 2 GB of RAM. HDD 100 GB or higher. Monitor SVGA color. Keyboard 108 keys. Mouse 2 button mouse. Now let's go through the advantages of customer complaint management system. So the first one is security. Second, automation. Third, report and tracking facility. Fourth, less time consumption. Fifth, customer satisfaction. Sixth, easy processing. Seventh, both mobile and PC compatible. Eighth, reliable. So our next topic is DFD, which stands for data flow diagram, which is nothing but a graphical representation of the flow of data through an information system. DFDs can also be used for visualization of data processing. On a DFD, data items flow from an external data source or an internal data store to an internal data store or an external data sink via an internal process. Now let's go through the DFD of Customer Complaint Management System. So here you can see Complaint Management System is an attribute and applicant and administrator are entities. Now let me show you the first level DFD. Here user registration with unique key, login, complaint query and status are attributes and admin is the entity. So that's all. Thank you.